The history of mining in Yukon is a tale of adventure, innovation, and economic transformation that dates back to the late 19th century. Situated in the northwestern corner of Canada, the Yukon became the focal point for one of the most famous gold rushes in history, known as the Klondike Gold Rush. This pivotal event began in earnest in 1896 when gold was discovered in Bonanza Creek, a tributary of the Klondike River, by George Carmack, Dawson Charlie, and Skookum Jim. The news of this discovery quickly spread, triggering a massive influx of prospectors eager to strike it rich. By 1897, miners from around the globe flocked to the Yukon, braving harsh climates and treacherous terrains as they journeyed to the remote outpost of Dawson City. This migration was fueled by stories of rivers and streams laden with gold nuggets, waiting to be claimed. The Klondike Gold Rush reached its peak between 1897 and 1899, with an estimated 100,000 prospectors setting sail for the northern frontier. However, only about 30,000 completed the trek, finding themselves in a bustling community that sprouted miraculously amidst the tundra. Despite the initial excitement, the gold rush was relatively short-lived. By 1899, reports of gold found elsewhere, like in Nome, Alaska, drew miners away from the Klondike. Nonetheless, the rush had a lasting impact on the Yukon, leading to its formal establishment as a separate territory in 1898. Mining continued to develop gradually over the years, evolving from the placer mines of the first gold rush to more sophisticated and large-scale mining operations which extracted not only gold but also other valuable minerals like silver, lead, and zinc. As mining techniques advanced, so did the scope and scale of the operations. The introduction of dredging in the early 20th century allowed for much more efficient mineral recovery. The Yukon Consolidated Gold Corporation played a significant role during this time. The mining industry experienced various booms and busts throughout the 20th century, driven by fluctuating mineral prices and technological advances. The silver boom in Keno Hill during the 1940s and 50s, and lead zinc mining in the Faro and Anvil ranges in the 1960s and 70s, were significant chapters. Today, mining remains a cornerstone of the Yukon economy, albeit with a renewed focus on environmental sustainability and community engagement. Modern operations employ state-of-the-art technologies and practices designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing resource extraction. This commitment to sustainable mining has seen the continued development of resources such as gold, copper, and rare earth elements, ensuring that mining remains integral to the Yukon's future prosperity. Thus, the history of mining in Yukon is not merely a chronicle of past endeavors but a continuing story of adaptation and growth, reflecting both the challenges and opportunities of harnessing natural resources responsibly.